Budgeting and saving are your keys to financial stability, and it's easier than you think to get started. Begin by calculating your total monthly income and tracking every expense for a month. Categorize your expenses into needs, wants, and savings. A popular strategy is the 50/30/20 rule. Allocate 50% of your income to essentials like rent, groceries, and bills, 30% to discretionary spending like dining out or entertainment, and 20% to savings or paying off debt. Use apps like Mint, Inab, or Pocket Guard to track spending and simplify your budget. If you're enjoying these tips so far, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more personal finance content. Saving money doesn't have to feel restrictive. Look for simple ways to cut costs. For instance, make coffee at home instead of buying it daily, or cancel subscriptions you no longer use. Set specific savings goals, like building an emergency fund of 3 to 6 months of expenses, or saving for a vacation or a down payment on a home. Automate your savings by setting up a monthly transfer to a dedicated account, so you don't even have to think about it. Remember, budgeting is about taking control of your money and ensuring it works for you. Over time, these small habits will grow into significant financial security, giving you the freedom to live the life you want. And before you go, hit that subscribe button and like this video to stay inspired on your journey to financial freedom.